Have you ever felt angry at someone? Have you ever wanted to be mean back? Today, we will meet little Tim. Tim learns a very important lesson. He learns about friendship, kindness, and forgiveness. While we read his story, you can also learn English words and sentences. Let's see what happens to Tim. Little Tim lived in a small town. Tim is 10 years old. He likes to play outside every day. He has many friends. But Tim has one problem. He is sometimes very quick to get angry. When someone hurts him, he wants to hurt them back. One sunny morning, Tim is walking to school. He carries a small blue bag. His friend, Sam, is running to meet him. Sam says, "Good morning, Tim. How are you?" Tim smiles. "Good morning, Sam. I am fine. And you?" "I am good too," says Sam. "Do you want to play football after school?" "Yes, I like football," says Tim. Tim and Sam go to school together. On the way, they see their classmate, Jack. Jack is holding a new red pencil. Tim likes the pencil very much. He says, "Wow, Jack, that pencil is very nice." Jack smiles. "Thank you, Tim. My father gave it to me." Tim feels a little jealous. "I want a pencil like that too," he thinks. At school, Tim sits in his classroom. His teacher, Miss Anna, is very kind. She says, "Today we will do a drawing activity. Everyone draw something you like." Tim is happy. He takes his pencils and starts drawing a small house. Sam draws a football. Jack draws a car. When the activity is over, the teacher says, "Now we will show our drawings to class." Tim shows his house. He feels proud. Sam shows his football. Jack shows his car. During the break, something happens. Jack accidentally knocks Tim's bag. A pencil falls to the floor and breaks. Tim feels angry. "Why did you do that, Jack?" he shouts. "I am sorry, Tim," says Jack. "It is an accident. I did not mean it." Tim looks at the broken pencil. He feels very angry. He wants to hurt Jack. "I will break his pencil too," he thinks. But then Sam steps forward. "Tim, wait," Sam says. "It was an accident. Jack did not do it on purpose." Tim thinks for a moment. He looks at Jack. Jack looks sad. Tim takes a deep breath. "Okay, Jack, I forgive you," he says. "It is okay. Don't worry." Jack smiles. "Thank you, Tim. I am sorry again." Little Tim learned something important today. He learns that not everything is on purpose. Sometimes accidents happen. Sometimes people make mistakes, but they do not mean to hurt us. After school, Tim and Sam go to the park. They play football together. Jack comes too. Jack says, "Can I play too?" Tim smiles. "Yes, you can. Let's play together." They play for a long time. Tim notices something. Playing with friends is more fun than being angry. The next day, something interesting happens. Tim is walking home from school. He sees a small cat stuck in a tree. The cat is meowing loudly. Tim wants to help. He calls Sam. "Sam, come here. A cat is in the tree." Sam comes quickly. "Oh no, poor cat. How can we help it?" Tim thinks. He takes a small ladder from his house. Together, Tim and Sam help the cat down safely. The cat's owner, Mrs. Lee, comes running. "Thank you, boys," she says. "You are very kind." Tim smiles. "It is okay. We like to help." Sam says, "Yes, helping is good. Helping makes us happy." Tim thinks again about yesterday. Yesterday, he was very angry at Jack. But today, he helped the cat. He feels proud. Little Tim learns another lesson. Helping others is better than hurting others. A few days later, Tim is in class again. Miss Anna gives them a small project. "Draw a picture friendship," she says. Tim thinks. He draws 3 friends, Tim, Sam, and Jack. They are smiling. They are playing football. He shows his drawing to Miss Anna. She says, "Very good, Tim. You understand friendship. Friendship is important." Tim smiles. "Yes, Miss Anna. Friendship is very important. It is better than being angry. During recess, Tim sees Jack. Jack comes close. Tim, I have a new pencil. Can I give it to you? Tim feels happy. Thank you, Jack, he says. That is very nice of you. Jack smiles. I want to be your friend. Tim smiles back. I want to be your friend too. Little Tim learns another lesson. Sometimes people make mistakes. Sometimes people are kind. It is better to forgive than to take revenge. The next week, Tim's town has a small sports day. Tim, Sam, and Jack are on the same team. During the football match, Tim's team is losing. Tim wants to shout at Jack because he missed a goal. But Tim remembers the lesson he learned. He takes a deep breath. It is okay, Jack. We can try again, he says. Jack smiles. Thank you, Tim. Let's do our best. Together, they play very well. Tim scores a goal. Jack scores a goal. Sam scores a goal. Their team wins. Tim feels very happy. He understands something important. Working together is better than fighting. Helping each other is better than hurting each other. After the match, Tim says, Jack, I'm glad we are friends. Jack smiles. Me too, Tim. Me too. Sam laughs. See, friendship is stronger than anger. Little Tim thinks quietly. He remembers the broken pencil. He remembers his anger. He remembers forgiving Jack. He remembers helping the cat. He remembers playing football together. Tim says to himself, it is better to forgive. It is better to help. It is better to be kind. Tim learns the real meaning of tit for tat. He learns that taking revenge is not good. Being kind and forgiving is better. That evening, Tim tells his mother about the day. Mom, I forgive Jack. We played football together. We won the match. I am happy. His mother smiles. Very good, Tim. You learn an important lesson. Forgiving others makes your heart happy. Tim smiles. He feels warm inside. He thinks, yes, Mom, I want to be kind and forgiving every day. From that day, Tim is different. When someone hurts him, he thinks twice. He asks himself, was it on purpose? If it was an accident, he forgives. If someone is kind, he is kind back. He helps others. He smiles more. Tim learns the true power of kindness. He learns that life is happier when you forgive. He learns that tit for tat is not the best way. Being kind is better. Moral of the story, it is better to forgive than to take revenge. Being kind and helping others makes life happier.